In today's video, we learn about how to rotate, resizing, crop image in Photoshop. Firstly, from File, open new image from your PC to do work. This is crop tool. By clicking on it, the box shape create on image. You can adjust shape, which part of image you want to crop. Click on right icon on the top side of panel to apply it. Now press shortcut key Ctrl plus T to resizing or rotating the image. By holding left click on mouse, you can increase or decrease size of image like this. By the corner of frame, you can see rotate icon and see same you can rotate image by left click on mouse. Thanks for watching. We see you in the next video with another tools of Photoshop.